Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading Satellite Office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Wednesday, January the 23rd, 2012, and here is today's midday market update brought to you by WallStreetTrading.com. I want to first start by taking a look to see how the indices are currently trading right now. The Dow Jones is up 54 and a quarter. The comp is up a little over 8.5 points. The Russell 2000 is down 1.5 points here. The S&P is down about 50 cents or so. Taking a look at some key sectors and some key indices here. The oil index is down 4.5. The banking index, the BKX, is down 16 cents. USO is down 9 cents. GLD down 29 cents. GDX down 94 cents. JJC Copper down 22 cents. And SLV Silver is up 11 cents, showing some relative strength like it has been, showing some relative strength to gold. Taking a look at the charts here, you're going to be looking at the 15-minute chart of the ES on the left-hand side. The right-hand, the chart on the right side is a 5-minute chart. You can see there's pretty much no action going on. I mean, we traded pretty much sideways to the top side early in the morning. We sold off, and now we're kind of in this little rising channel right here, which we could remain in this rising channel and continue to float higher, or we could go up here, make one last little push, and then it could break us down. This is a bearish channel. At the same time, it's not really bearish until we break below it and get a couple confirmation closes on it. Taking a look at the 15-minute chart, you can see the range on the ES pretty much is 1489 and 1480 half. So based on the opening session, we've pretty much been in a 4.5 range, and right now we're kind of in the middle, which you can get chopped up. So pretty much let the market see what it wants to do. If anything, trade around the reference levels up here or down here. This is going to either break to the top side, to the downside, but I don't think we're going to trade sideways the whole day. But we'll see. If you guys trade the SPY and the Qs and you watch that stuff right there, to gauge the market, we can take a look at that as well. You can see the SPY is pretty much just trading sideways. The range in the SPY is 149.32, 148.86. You can see it's having some trouble trying to get back positive and back above the previous day's high in the opening price. Taking a look at the triple Qs, they're basically pretty much doing nothing, chopping around the opening price here, which is these blue dots that I have on my screen. So I have alerts set if we break down. I also have alerts set if we break to the top side because I don't want to miss anything. And then I'll be taking a look at what stocks are kind of moving with the market, or maybe moving ahead of the market if the market looks like it wants to roll over, or if it looks like it wants to go to the top side. Take a look at the IWM here at the bottom left. IWM is holding up this 89 level pretty well. And the IWM is establishing itself in a range of between 89 and 89 and a quarter. 89 being some base levels holding yesterday, some support that it held today. Then 89 and a quarter being yesterday's highs and the highs that it made a little bit today there. So across the board, consolidation in the market looks like, if you ask me. Some stocks that we are watching, that we were watching this morning. Of course, we had the IBM on watch. All right, IBM shot up a little. IBM shot up like right out the gate. Let's bring up the IBM here. IBM shot up right out the gate. Now they've been fading it here. I think they could fade it all the way down to possibly. They could fade it all the way down possibly to 204.60, which was pre-market resistance, but should now act as support. So watch 204.60. We break back below 204.60. Want to watch 204, then 203.40. But going to be watching the stock to see if it gets a bounce somewhere. Looks like right now it continues to fade, and who knows, may fade all the way back down towards the open around 203.50. Another stock that we were watching was Cree. Cree had earnings, and yesterday after the close, the stock held it pretty well, and it held its after-hours gains pretty well, and now it's popping back up. We actually called this one for a long right here when it broke out this nice little tight pattern in our chat room from 39.40, and you can see that worked all the way from 39.40 to a high of 40.20. And then me personally, I was trading this in the room. I got a little bit chopped up in this BA stock. This stock, every time the stock gaps down like it wants to sell, they just buy it back up like institutions protecting their position. But I'm done trading this one for the day after having like about 2 or 3 strikes in the stock. I would not recommend anybody to trade this stock anymore. This stock just trades on its own merit. Any case, that's really about it, guys. Not much action going on today. If you ask me, it's pretty much a slow day. Going to be keeping a close eye on this trend line that we have in play right here. And I'm going to be keeping a close eye on the range that I highlighted to you guys on the chart between this 1489 on the ES and 1484.50. That's about it. Hope you guys have a great day. If you have not been to our chat room yet, you can contact me at ccooper@wallstreettrading.com so I can give you the credentials to log into the room. You want to check out our website, wallstreettrading.com, and you can see all of our videos there that we do. We do the after the bell market summaries, midday market updates, and pretty soon we're going to be doing the pre-market pre-market warm-ups for the trading session to get prepared, as it is a battle out here, and you have to be prepared every day when you go to trade. Have a great day. Catch you guys after the close. Cheers.